Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn and Live podcast with your 1 minute motivation for today. So here we go. Attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference between success and failure. Although success and failure are the opposites of each other, how the attitude perceives them will decide how you go about with it. A success is a win and you might get comfortable with it, and a failure, it's just another way that something didn't work this time. But next time it's a different story. Be positive, be focused, and you will smash the rest.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.